Hello and welcome back to our channel Wristworthy. Today we are going to unbox and review a Timex Q Chronograph. Before we dive into the unboxing, let's take a quick look at the history behind the Timex Q. The watch was originally launched in 1970s. The Timex Q series was introduced during the quartz revolution, a time when quartz technology transformed the watch industry. Today we have got this Timex Q Chronograph TW2V42600UJ. I purchased this watch from Myntra during the big brand festival sale, and I paid about 9,800 rupees for the watch, which is equal to 116 US dollars. And this is a replacement watch that I got from Myntra, since the original watch that I had some issues with the chronograph function. Let's open it up quickly. Along with the watch, we have a user manual, and the watch comes with a warranty of 1 year. Let's remove the tag and the plastics from the watch. Let's check the dimensions real quick. The case diameter is 40 mm. The case thickness is about 11 mm without the dome. And the lug width is 18 mm, which I believe a little injustice for a 40 mm dial size. Don't get me wrong, the watch looks absolutely fantastic with the bracelet. But if you ever decide to change the bracelet with a leather strap, 18 mm strap may appear a little narrow for the wrist.
And it will be hard to find 18 to 20 mm and 18 to 22 mm leather strap.
The watch features a retro style stainless steel bracelet. It's got a quick release system, so you can easily swap it out with other bands. The bracelet is 18 mm at the lugs and widens to 21.5 mm, giving it a comfortable fit. The links have a brushed finish with polished accent on the joints for a touch of shine. The bracelet has a folding clasp and the Timex is written on it. The case back of the Timex Q Chronograph continues the retro aesthetic of the original Q series. It features a stainless steel case back which is secured with 4 screws. The watch is water resistant for 50 meters and assembled in China. You can also see the serial number of the watch mentioned at the case back. The watch has a small battery compartment that can be opened with the help of a coin to easily swap the battery. The crown is a traditional push and pull design, and it is signed with letter Q. The watch features a domed mineral crystal. It provides decent scratch resistance and clear legibility under various lighting conditions. Though it is not a sapphire crystal, but it offers good durability for everyday use. The watch is powered by a quartz movement. An ultra-precise chronograph movement and tachymeter bezel makes it look like a true racing watch. Second hand sweeps like an automatic watch when the chronograph function is on. The dial looks very elegant. It is sleek and striking in black with 3 pale white subdials laid out in a classic chronograph configuration. 60 seconds, 60 minutes and 24 hours counters. The dial is also known as reverse panda. The applied indices and hands are silver toned and also lumed. Here are some lume shots for you. The date window is in between 4 and 5. While the 12 o'clock position has been used for the Q sign, 3, 6 and 9 o'clock position has been left empty. With all the information like big Q sign, Timex, chronograph, quartz, a date window, the dial looks a little busy. The case has glossy finish on the sides and the sides covering the lugs has a brushed finish. The sides of the watch are not entirely flat and they are bent at an angle. It shows that the Timex has put in some extra efforts and care into making a visually compelling piece. Now it is time to check whether it's wrist-worthy or not. The watch sits comfortably on the wrist thanks to its 40 mm case size that strikes a perfect balance between presence and wearability. The watch feels light and doesn't feel bulky, ideal for everyday use. The bracelet conforms to the wrist smoothly and provides a snug and comfortable fit. This is how it looks when compared with Timex Expedition North Chronograph Green. And this is how it goes with Casio G-Shock Digital. Now let's try on the watch with some different NATO straps and leather straps, and let's see how does it look. Okay, I'm not being picky. While it's a great watch with many advantages, it's a bit disappointing that it doesn't have a sapphire crystal. I mean, Timex offers sapphire crystal in their entry-level models. Why not on this one? It would have been cherry on top. In conclusion, the Timex Q Chronograph is a great choice for a budget-friendly retro chronograph. It might not have all the bells and whistles of luxury watches, but it's a solid everyday timepiece. And this watch is definitely wrist-worthy. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let me know your thoughts on the Timex Q Chronograph in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more watch reviews. I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, stay wrist-worthy.